Pakistan is bestowed with a lot of natural beauty and scenery.
Do you have a pocket inside the jacket?
No, I don't have the pocket.
Yeah, very smart.
The purpose of Beyond the Valley was not only to earn money out of the tourism, but to support the locals of the destination. My name is Hina Umar. I am the co-founder and business development head at Beyond the Valley. Beyond the Valley is an inbound tour operating company where we provide premier active adventures and cultural trips to global clientele in a safe and sustainable manner. Northern Pakistan is one of the most amazing destinations to travel because you will find all kinds of diversifications there. You will have the mountains, high snow-capped mountains, the local culture, the authentic music and traditions, the delicious food. The preservation of those resources and culture is what we are striving for and working with the local communities and organizations. Many of the world's tallest mountains lies in Pakistan, and K2 is just one of them, and that particular part is definitely a paradise for authentic adventure travelers. Being a woman myself, I support women empowerment and women joining the businesses and coming forward on equal footing. 50% of the employees in our company are women. They are doing the jobs of office assistant. They are working as permanent guides for Beyond the Valley. Recently, we have introduced women-only trip to Hunza Valley, for which I have been getting a lot of interest and inquiries from all over the world, especially from UK and USA. And when you talk about women-only trip, the guide has to be a woman. The female guide is from the Hunza Valley herself. She is a local. She understands the traditions, culture, and the people of those areas, and she is best able to represent Pakistan and Hunza, her local destination, to the foreign people in a much better way than probably we could have done. Tourism plays a vital role in the economic development of the people. For those areas where the families are just living on the edge or not probably getting the perks of a good life, Beyond the Valley aims to offer them good opportunities in order to get the economic financial independence. In Pakistan, the concept of having permanent guide, first of all, is very limited. You will not find the permanent guides in any businesses. Most of them, 90% of them, I would say, are freelancers. We gave them opportunity to be full-time guides at our office because this gives them financial stability and permanent source of income rather than the seasonal source of income. You also not only get your permanent salaries, but also get the perks and benefits like training programs and educational services, etc. I am definitely optimistic for the tourism in Pakistan. Now Pakistan is gaining more and more recognition via social media. There is improved infrastructure and better accessibility. The government is also playing its role by easing the visa policies. When we have good travelers from all around the world, I think a good customer plays a vital part in doing the word of mouth for your destination.